Today, we will talk about insolvencies, definition, how it works, and contributing factors. Insolvency occurs when an individual or company is unable to meet their financial obligations to lenders, meaning that they cannot pay the debts when they are due. This financial distress can lead to insolvency proceedings, which may result in assets being liquidated to pay off outstanding debts. Prior to insolvency proceedings, individuals or companies can attempt to negotiate alternative payment arrangements with their creditors to prevent legal action. Insolvency can arise from poor cash management, a decrease in cash inflow, or an increase in expenses. Insolvency can lead to legal action against the insolvent individual or entity, and potential liquidation of assets to satisfy debts. However, business owners may contact creditors directly to develop more manageable installment plans for repaying debts in an effort to avoid insolvency proceedings. Restructuring debt may also involve creating a realistic plan to reduce overhead and continue business operations while addressing outstanding debts. Several factors can contribute to insolvency, such as inadequate accounting practices, rising vendor costs, lawsuits, and failure to adapt to changing consumer needs. Poor accounting or human resources management can result in overspending, while increasing prices can lead to loss of clients and income. Lawsuits can create financial strain, and failure to keep up with market trends can result in losing profits, leading to unpaid bills and insolvency. Insolvency is a financial state in which a person or entity is unable to pay their obligations, while bankruptcy is a legal process to resolve or discharge debts for an insolvent entity. Individuals or companies may be insolvent without filing for bankruptcy, but prolonged insolvency can lead to a bankruptcy filing. Solvency refers to having enough funds to cover payment obligations, while insolvency is the inability to meet those financial obligations. A company is considered solvent when their assets exceed their liabilities, whereas insolvency occurs when total liabilities exceed total assets. Insolvency and bankruptcy are not the same, although a company that is insolvent may file for bankruptcy. Insolvency is the financial state of not being able to pay debts, while bankruptcy is a legal process to discharge those debts. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Insolvency is a state of financial distress in which a person or business is unable to pay their debts. 2. Insolvency is when liabilities are greater than the value of the company, or when a debtor cannot pay the debts they owe. 3. A company can become insolvent due to a number of situations that lead to poor cash flow. 4. When faced with insolvency, a business or individual can contact creditors directly and restructure debts to pay them off. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.